Welcome back sa ating channel. We are here so excited to announce to you guys that the upcoming event of the Grand Lason Round 3 is just few days from now. Kaya I'm inviting everyone, save the date. Join us on September 28 to 29. That will be Saturday and Sunday sa SMX Convention Manila. Dahil gaganapin po ang isa sa mga pinakamalaking tech fair sa buong Pilipinas together with the mechanical keyboard community. Yeah! We are so excited to join them with different PC enthusiasts from different hobby, especially for other PC enthusiasts out there na into modding, case modding. Ayun, magsasama-sama tayo dito sa event na to. And hindi lang yun, dahil maraming magaganap na promo deals, maraming sale na magaganap, 50% off, piso deals, name it, they have it at this Grand Lason Round 3. Kaya guys, check nyo na yung description sa baba. Nandyan po ang ating link. Register and join us on the Grand Lason Round 3. Marami pong mangyayari and just watch this video sa mga previous events last year. And with our team that we have been hosting other events also, makikita nyo rin po dyan yung mga iba't ibang kaganapan na nangyari in the past. And yan po ang ating aabangan dito sa upcoming event ng The Grand Lason Round 3. Imagine guys, PC enthusiasts from up north, case modders, building rigs from North Luzon down to Visayas in Mindanao, magsama-sama po tayong lahat dito sa SMX Convention Manila on September 28-29. Kaya, guys, register now. Check the link below and kita-kits tayo dyan sa mismong event. Andyan po ako from day 1 to day 2 and from the opening ng gates up to the closing ng gates. Kaya, I'm so excited to meet you guys and hopefully, I will see you there at the Grand Lason Round 3. And hindi lang tayo ang andun po. Nandun din ang ating mga iba't ibang kaibigan na nagre-review ng mga products and syempre mga brands from AMD, Corsair, Gigabyte, Asus. Andun po silang lahat. Makikita nyo po silang lahat doon. And ang dami nilang mga freebies, giveaways na gaganapin dito sa mismong The Grand Lason Round 3. Hindi lang yon. At sa wakas, the PC community will have this event and hindi ito naging possible kung hindi dahil sa inyo guys. Kaya naman sobrang excited na ako na makita kayo in person sa upcoming The Grand Lason Round 3. That's it guys and see you there on Saturday and Sunday.